Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to draw a colorful nature picture. We need some color crayons, or also you can also use color pencils. I'm using sketches to outline it, and I'm using Sharpie to draw. You can also use any pencils or if you want, or a marker. First let's start with the ground. I'm going to put the ground as a grass, so I'm going to put a wiggly line. I'm going to put some grass at the top. Just do some spiky lines. Don't do on the same size. It doesn't look interesting. You can also do some overlappings like this. And just do some, you can do some thin ones or very thin ones or wide ones or small ones. And just do some wiggly lines like that. And now I'm going to put some grass here as well. I'm going to draw some flowers to make them more pretty. I'm going to write 4 to 5 flowers. If you do more than, it's okay, but it looks a bit messy more like this. Now I'm going to do some like a ground here, like that. This is going to be brown here. I'm going to put some water and put some there. It's like a beach land here, and there's the water. I'm going to put some more layer at the top. Now I'm going to put some jungle effects right here. I want some overlapping so it looks more good. Now I'm going to add some more leaves. If you don't want to add any leaves, it's okay. But for the jungle effect, if it's a jungle, it's going to be like lots of leaves. I'm going to add some more leaves like this. You can use dark green and light green and dark green and light green to get like more interesting to look. You can do different shapes of leaves. I'm going to do like this. You can just mix it up if you want. I'm not mixing up today. And now I'm going to add a big sun right here. I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to do some crows. Like that. Only a small crow. I'm going to also put in the land some flowers. If you want, you can do big like this, so you can color it very easily. If you don't want, you can just draw very small. You can also use some stickers to decorate if you want. I'm going to start coloring now. I'm going to do some layers here. Sometimes the bottom layer is going to be dark, so I'm going to do some dark green here. I'm going to all the way there. And I'm going to use another, it's like a dark green. It's like a light green as well. It's like, I'm going to color right here. And the light, I got a light green. I'm going to put in the grass. It's like dark, like a dark light, and it is light green. You can do all the way over here, and you can add some colorful colors like this. Just like, imagine it, like add some flowers. I'm gonna just color like that, and you can use some yellow color to go in the middle, or orange if you want, or else you can also use orange to the middle. And you can just decorate like that in all the way here. Start. Now I'm going to use a brown color for the ground here. If you think it's too dark, You can just mix it up with yellow to get it lighter, like to get a very different color. It goes like this if you want. If you don't want, like, you can just use brown. If you don't want to use brown, you can also use yellow and orange to get a sandy color. I'm doing like a soil, so it looks very different and it's attractive. Now I'm going to use some different colors for the flowers. You can also use some stickers if you want to save some time. If you don't like coloring, you can just outline it with some sketches like this. And now I'm going to use different type of blues to get the atmosphere like this. I'm going to use first some dark blue for like here. If you do a bit like this, it's a very bit like a texture. It's a very good texture for the beach and the grass. So do it like this to get the texture. Now I'm going to take some light blue again and put it like, I'm going to just cover it here. Now I'm going to take again the dark blue and put it here. You can also use different type of blue, like navy blue, like that, to get more different things. You can just do like here the darkest part and getting lighter and lighter and lighter, or also you can do like this, light dark, light dark, light dark. And now I'm gonna use a light blue and yellow mixture. Like, I'm gonna color it first blue and take yellow and put it at the top to get like this feeling. So it looks different. If you use blue here, that's fine, but it just combines together, so you don't know if this is a beach or a sky. Now I'm gonna use different type of green to get here. In jungle, it's basically like some like this leaves at the top of the trees. I'm gonna use like a different type of greens to get a variation. And now I'm going to use some greens and yellow mixture to get some leaves. First use some green and put some yellow at the top like this, so it gets a mixture of like some different colors. Also you can just put yellow at the first and green at the bottom. It's like a very different color. If you want, like, you can just put off a yellow and off a green, so it's off yellow and off green. It's like a very different texture. Or you can just use it like that, only green if you want. To make it simple, you can just do it like this. And now I'm going to use some yellow and orange to get the sun. First, I'm going to use this color. Just go around the sun so it's a bit shiny. I'm going to use like zigzag lines to go over there. I'm going to use again my marker and put some shiny part like this. So it's shining through. I'm going to use more yellow and go over like this. And some orange to top. Now I'm going to add using some sketch to get the texture like this. First, I'm going to use the dark green, like this green, to go over like here. See, like it kind of see the variation. It gives a very good thing. If you don't want the color, you can just use this part like that. So it looks still good. It's very colorful still. Just do some outlining with everything. Like for the brown, you can use some brown color to outline, and also different type of green to outline like here and at the top. Also some different type of blue, and yes, you can just finish it like that. First, I'm gonna use the brown. Let's go over like that. To make it simple, just do it like that. And I'm going to use some green to get the texture like here. Now I'm going to use some more green to just do like a wiggly lines. I'm going to use the green here. You don't really need to use here because it's already colored like in a bark. Now I'm going to use different type of blues. Just put here. I'm going to use dark blue to get like, you know, in the wiggly lines here. I'm going to put like in the top. Or I can just put it all around like this. Over here as well. Now I'm gonna use the main blue here. This picture is a very beautiful picture. It's very colorful and it's greeny. It has everything in it. It's a very good photo. You can just frame it in your home. Like it's very beautiful and colorful as well. It's attractive, and yes.